Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tuna in the house. Long time guys, don't know see me do our makeup. Alright, now watch this guys. It's just the eye primer I put on already, and I did my brows off camera, and I'm gonna do some rainbow colors. Yes, I'm gonna work with this box of crayon. I'm gonna take from it these two colors here, the red and the green, and from my never ending palette, it's called Santi and it's from the mall. I got it in the mall here in Cambridge, and it comes with glitter and this one. And I'm gonna grab some of these shades. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this green, the yellow and the orange, possible the purple, I'm not sure yet. All right, let's get into the video. All right, now I'm gonna add some of this CoverGirl to my eyelid. And the best way for your colors to pop is to use a lighter shade concealer. All right, now I'm gonna use these loose pigment, the purple and the blue. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with this white matte base eyeliner. Now I cut my crease. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of purple right here. Now I'm gonna add some blue. I'm gonna add this green. I'm gonna get the orange. And the final color, I'm gonna add some yellow. Now I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna put my lashes on, and I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna come back. Now I'm gonna add some e.l.f. primer. And now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty foundation. I'm gonna add 2 pumps. Now I'm gonna add 1 pump of this e.l.f. illuminating primer. I'm gonna add some setting spray to my brush. Now I'm gonna add some CoverGirl for my highlight. Now I'm going to use my banana powder and I'm going to set my highlighted areas. Now guys, I'm going to use this matte finishing powder and I'm going to use it for my contour. Contour my nose. I'm going to use a bigger brush and I'm going to contour the side of my face. Now I'm going to use this CoverGirl finishing powder and I'm going to set the entire face, my entire face. I'm going to add a little bit of this blush. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. Ooh, my. I can work with that. Now I'm gonna add my setting spray. Now I'm gonna add some MAC loose pigment for my highlight. I'm gonna add this dark purple and this nude. Beautiful and nice. And guys, this is the final result. Beautiful, glamorous and nice, fun to play with. This look is good for like a party, just a little fun occasion. And guys, this is it again. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Alright, my peeps, one love and take care of yourself and be blessed. Mwah. Bye guys, see you later.